Okay, when we get to Walmart, we got a midget shopping list, and I'm gonna grab us a couple drinks.
Woohoo!
And this time, we're gonna park our bikes in the shade instead of the direct sunlight, because it does take a little bit to get in and out of there.
You know what annoys the hell out of me?
Look at that guy, he's cruising on a fat tire bike. What?
All this litter.
Well, some people litter. Some of it comes from garbage trucks too.
Well, the birds and the turtles don't litter.
What's for sale here? What is it? Professional real estate. Okay, you got a couple cars to watch out for. This guy's waiting for us. Thank you. So as you can tell, it's getting way busier up here at this end. We're approaching Colonial, and that's what I predicted. There's a bicycle in the ditch. Now why would that be?
He snuck in.
Bicycle thrown in the ditch. Don't know what to say about that one.
One way to get rid of it.
Okay, danger crossing. There's no button to push on that one.
What'd you say?
There's no button to push on that one. Look, there's the House of Spices.
Looks like they're closed.
Well, I don't know for sure.
There was nothing there.
Looks like we're heading towards our first busy crossing. We're almost to Walmart. We're 9 miles and 39 minutes in. 9 miles and 39 minutes to get to Walmart. May as well say 10. Oh, look, here comes the U-Haul turning. Okay, our video is gonna get a little bit more boring than it already is because we have a stop coming. Okay, I'm gonna get on that side so I can push the button. says walk. Ooh, big bump. Okay, we're getting close to Walmart. Got another crossing here with no button to push. You gotta kind of be careful. People have tinted windows and you can't see where they're looking. That's pretty common down here. And if you just assume they see you, I'm here to tell you, you're eventually gonna get flattened like a bug. This is the Walmart turn. We got a sidewalk, so let's just turn it. It's always pretty congested in here. I'm gonna join these cars because that's about all you can do. Just hang it right behind one of them and take the whole lane.
You got a car turning in there.
Thank you. Miss Virginia, get it going. Okay. So since we're to Walmart and it's very unexciting, I'm gonna shut the video down.